gather information from video search engines. Video search engines are internet-based search engines that crawl the web looking for a video content. These search engines either provide the functionality of uploading and hosting the video content on their own web servers, or they can parse the video content which is hosted externally. Here we will perform an advanced video search engine and reverse image search using the YouTube search engine and YouTube metadata tool. Here we will consider my YouTube channel as a target organization. However, you can select the target organization from your choice. I have opened the Brave web browser and search youtube.com. Just type youtube.com and open the YouTube. In the search field, search for your target organization. You will see all the latest video uploaded by the target organizations. So I have searched my YouTube channel. So here is my YouTube channel. Okay. So select any video of your choice. Right click on this video and copy the link. Select this video and I have copied this video link. After the video link copied, open a new tab and search metadata, YouTube metadata. Here is the first website was YouTube metadata. YouTube metadata tool collects the singular details of video, its uploader, playlist, and its create or channel. So we paste the link first and submit. Okay. So here our link was submitted. YouTube metadata page appears in a submit a link to video, playlist, or channel search field. Paste the copied link YouTube video location and click submit. Once the search is complete, scroll down and you can observe the details related to the video search, such as a published date and time, channel ID, title, etc. So here was our video link and paste the which time I have upload this video. This was the channel ID, title was my video, description here, and as well as thumbnail was here, statistic was here. I have not uploaded geolocation. There is no geolocation here. No live stream details, localization no, and content details are here, and topic details are here, and here was the click to reverse image search. Scroll down to check the additional information under the section statistics, geolocation, status, etc. Under the thumbnail section, you can find the reverse image search results. Click on the link to reverse image search button under any thumbnail. So I have clicked here. Okay. A new tab in Google appears and the result for the reverse image search are applied. This includes the demonstration of gathering information from the advanced video search and reverse image search using the YouTube search engine and YouTube metadata tool. You can use another video search engines such as the Google videos. Thanks for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe for more content of cybersecurity.